I'm going to go to Instagram and I am on the reel. So remember, if you're just starting out and you want to review how do you get there, I clicked the plus sign in the top. If you look at the very top, there's the little plus and a box. You can click there and then toggle at the bottom where it says reel. And now we're at reels. So let's discuss what these items are on the site. So audio, that's where you can go and you can add music. The 30-second mark, the second one below. If I know I have a video that I'm going to be recording that is longer than 30 seconds, then I'm going to want to change my timer to either 60 seconds or 90 seconds. If you record less than that, it'll end just whenever you end the video, but you can't go beyond that. So some people, they have it stuck on the 15-second mark, but yet they're talking longer and they're wondering why it keeps cutting them off. That's why. Okay, this where it says the time, so this 1 times, this is how, if you've ever seen in some of those home tours, by default, it's always going to go on the 1 times mark. That's just standard time. The fractions make it slow-mo. So maybe you're doing a tour of the kitchen and you're really trying to highlight an aspect of the kitchen, or you want to go faster. So see where it says 3 times, 2 times? This would be like a time lapse. So if you're going down a long alley, maybe it's a long driveway, or you're going up the stairs in a home tour and you want to make it go quicker, that is how you can use the app to make it go slower or faster. Now, this template, so the next one down, this is just you can change. So this template I'm showing you right now is the vertical one where on the left, where it's not shaded, I can record. So I could record me right here, and then it would let me switch and it would go to the other side where I could do another recording of me doing something of how I'm talking. Or I could even switch the view and make it top to bottom like this. Okay. So I could record. I'm recording right now. You can see the button, see how it's highlighting. Then if I hit stop, I had it going faster. So here I could be like, okay, so that is how you could use, I'm going to discard that. That's how you could use the template feature. The next one, the timer button. So this timer will allow you to do just that, where you could set a timer. Now, the next one is the dual. So this camera one where it says dual, that a lot of you ask, this is a new feature update where it will now allow you to show what's in front of you. So you use your rear facing camera and your front camera at the same time. And if you want to switch, you would just click at the bottom right, see where there's the arrows that go in reverse. I could switch it. There we go. And now it's showing me and showing what's on my screen here. So maybe you're trying to show a TCA, or you're doing a seller buy down strategy and you want to show something on your screen. Maybe it's the trending interest rates, whatever it is, you could literally show both at the same time without having to flip your camera around multiple times. So those are just some of the features I wanted to highlight. Let's say if I'm going to put this back to normal speed and I'm going to hit record, and so right now, like it's showing what's on my computer screen in front of me, and then the small one, it's showing me. Okay. If I were to click next, this is where the square. So at the very top, you see the third one in the very top, see the little smiley face with the square. I'm going to click that. Remember, this is where you can insert captions. So anytime you're talking, it'll create the words for you. This is also where you can put different stickers like the quiz feature, the poll, but see the add yours where it has a little camera. That's a new feature they just allowed where you can write any prompt like, show me your setup. And the beauty of this is then people can easily just hit add yours. It makes it an engagement sticker. So anytime you do this on stories or on reels, anytime you can give people an easy way to interact with you, then that's good for the algorithms because it shows that you guys have a relationship. But it also shows that you're the creator of this add yours, where it could keep going and keep going and keep going. So I just wanted to make sure that you guys had this updated information with Instagram on what those features are on the right so that you can get out there and execute more reels and more TikToks and more YouTube shorts.